Here's Chewy.
Stop chewing, Elise. I hope you're all having a real nice Father's Day. I'm lucky enough to have my two little babies with me. That one and that one. He's dancing over there. These ribs have brown sugar and honey. My wife's here too. Hello. This one does not because my boy doesn't like sweet. So we're going to enjoy these. Happy Father's Day. When I came home from the AMCA show I went to last Saturday, I detected a little bit of a leak in the trailer on this thing. At first I suspected it was gear oil, but it's not. It was coolant, and if you look real close, you can see right there a little dot. And as I work my way up, I'm sure it's coming from this tank, either from that little clamp there, which doesn't have much clamping force, or it may be coming from this cap right here. I'm fortunate to have full parts fish things on the computer for this bike, and there's supposed to be a gasket in here. I actually found the part number for it. I could buy it on Amazon, but it's not going to be here until July sometime. So I'm thinking, since this doesn't appear to be vented, I may try to make one out of a bicycle inner tube. I just used a compass to draw a 1 1/4 inch circle on this rubber inner tube. And there's a rubber circle. Will it stay in there? Oh, darn it. Should have made it a little tiny bit bigger. I'm going to try it. I have some cork material I could try also. That might be a better fit for this. It looks to me like this is where the coolant was coming from, and then it just drips down and works its way down till it drips down onto the floor. Sure feels good. Let's take it off. I don't know. Seems like it might work. It's worth a try. Alright, I'm just going with the rubber inner tube seal on this cap. Hopefully that's all this was. This clamp will be a bit of a pain to replace. There's no pressure on this, it's just a drain. Or is it? No, that's coming from the radiator cap up here. But still, I don't think it's under pressure as it sits there doing what it's doing. So this has allowed me to do some deep cleaning in the engine here. Didn't need a whole lot, but I was able to clean a lot of stuff up inside there. Now, do I take the left side fairing off so I can do the same on that side? I think I will. This side is all back together. Here's more top secret video, the left side of this bike under the fairings. This dude's all buttoned up, except for one screw. I gotta take it off of the stand to get that screw in right there so I can turn the steering wheel. That's it. I don't know what's next for this bike. Got the 2-stroke extravaganza coming up, but that's September or October or something. I need to take it up to Alice's restaurant soon. It's about 1 month later. There's no RZ500 here. Did somebody mention going to Alice's restaurant? It is flaming hot here, and I put my poor motorcycle inside this black cooking hot box. Tomorrow morning I'm going to drive to Motor Cafe in Campbell, California and park this rig, take my bike out and go up to Alice's restaurant, and then